Hi guys! So today I'm gonna be doing a 6ix9ine inspired makeup look. I will show you guys an outfit and the hair. The only thing I have done so far is my regular foundation, and now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. His eyebrows are pretty thick, but they are like cleaned up, like they're not like all over the place. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime with concealer and set it with just a setting powder, and then I'm just gonna take regular bronzer, bronze up my crease. Not a lot, just literally just to give it color. That's literally all I'm gonna do to the eyes. I mean to the top lid. I do rainbow on the bottom, so don't worry. On this eye I'm gonna do red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. First I am going to conceal because I haven't. So the closest color I really have to red is this burgundy color in the Anastasia Soft Glam, but I'm actually going to start with the lighter color and work out so that you know, my brush doesn't get like all weird. So I'm going to be taking this yellow from the Too Faced Peanut Butter and Honey palette under here. So I'm gonna take this orange and work that into the middle. And then last color is red, so I'm gonna take a burgundy. Yeah, so the closest thing I have to green is this teal color in this weird palette. And I'm just gonna go to a darker blue. Lastly, I'm gonna take a purple. And I'm just gonna line my top lid really quickly. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on these lashes. You wanna go a little glam, you know, cause I don't know. Actually, you can do whatever you want, but I'm gonna go a little glam. These are Dodo lashes in D115. And I mean, if you want money off, you can use the code on the screen. I mean, if you don't, it's fine. I waited too long for this to dry, so I'm gonna have to do it again. Well, that one is drying. I do want to bronze up a little bit and also highlight, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. And then now I am ready to start the tattoos. Finally, I'm gonna go with the liner. Okay, not too bad. Next one is right on top of his eyebrow. It's a little weirder, so bear with me. I don't know how this eye is. It looks like it like forms like a heart or something. I barely have enough room to do the next part. I'm just gonna do it really small right here. There we go. Oh my god, I look crazy. I'll move on to the this big 6ix9ine. Then I'm gonna do the one here. So he has like the little face right here, and he has Oscar, and then he has a spider web. I don't want to do all that, so I think I'm just gonna do the spider web. Okay, his is a little bigger. Let's see, can you even see it? Okay, I'm tired, so I'm gonna stop there. For lips, I'm just gonna do, you know, a nude. So I think I'm done with the makeup. So with my hair, I just kind of braided it and then put it in these little, I did 2 of them, 1 on each side. I also put 6ix9ine on my fingers just for fun. And then I have on this like choker. It's like a chain. And then this is like a Justin Bieber merch, but it was the thing that worked most. These jeans, they're just light wash ripped jeans because that's what he mostly wears. And then a gold belt, and then just some white Fila sneakers. So this is the look. So it got dark on me before anyone comes at me, I wanted to do this because, like, whether you like him or not, you have to admit that he's like one of the ones that are on top right now. He's popping right now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys later.